Hello friends, welcome to Chennai Samayal English. Today we are going to prepare butter popcorn, which was a snacks recipe. The ingredients are listed down in the description box. Let's go on. Take a saucepan, add 100 grams of butter into it. Once it got melted, we need to add corn, which was soaked for half an hour in the butter, and wait for 5 minutes to fry the one side of the corn. You can see it nicely fried, and just mix it well to turn into the another side. Don't close the lid before 1 or 2 popcorns get popped up. The heat should be in the medium flame. Once it start popping up, we need to close the lid. You can see it is nicely getting popped. The heat should be in medium. We usually put the corn and close the lid. If you do that, some popcorns will be burnt. So make sure you are closing the lid only after a few popcorns get popped. You can nicely popped up. You can mix a pan so that 1 or 2 unpopped popcorns may pop. If you didn't get any pop for 3 to 5 seconds, then turn off the stove. The popping stopped. Let's open the lid. See how the popcorn was ready. It will take only 5 to 10 minutes to get a popcorn. You can easily prepare at home. If you like the peppers, salt, spice, we can add that. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.